Here we got an ALLIS-CHALMERS pull type baler. These are the old style. Put the hay up. They got the belts on them. I know the Amish still use these. They're an antique. This one has a little bit of rust starting on the front on the sheet metal right here. You can see it. But these things are original and they work closed. Come out of the barn. They are 540 PTO. So they've got the PTO. That's a guard when you put it on the tractor or power unit or whatever, but it does have 540 PTO. And we're going to sell it absolute on Tractor House Auction. I don't know what the model number is, but it does say ALLIS-CHALMERS right here. And the chain has some pieces. They've got some pieces right back here. And a little hay hook on there. This is number one. We got number one in blue marked right on the front of the tongue. You're going to buy it absolute on Tractor House Auction. We do have two of these. But you are buying this one for $1 month.